Hello and welcome to our YouTube video on e-commerce and how to make money from it. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop and has opened up countless opportunities for entrepreneurs to start their own businesses. In this video, we'll go over the basics of e-commerce and the different ways you can make money from it. Step 1. Choose your product and niche. The first step in starting an e-commerce business is to choose a product or niche that you're passionate about. Research the market and see what products are already available. You want to make sure that your product offers something unique and valuable to your target audience. When choosing your niche, think about the specific needs and interests of your target audience. This will help you create a brand that resonates with them and builds a loyal customer base. Step 2. Build your online store. Once you've chosen your product and niche, it's time to build your online store. There are several platforms you can use to create your store, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Choose a platform that best fits your needs and budget. When designing your store, make sure it's visually appealing and easy to navigate. Use high-quality product images and clear descriptions to help customers make informed buying decisions. Step 3. Market your store. Now that your store is live, it's time to start promoting it. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach your target audience. Invest in paid advertising to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your store. It's also important to optimize your website for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions and blog content to improve your search engine rankings and drive more organic traffic to your store. Step 4. Offer exceptional customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is crucial for the success of your e-commerce business. Make sure you're responsive to customer inquiries and address any concerns they may have. Offer free shipping, easy returns, and other incentives to encourage repeat business. Step 5. Monetize your store. Here are some ways you can monetize your e-commerce store. 1. Sell products directly on your website. 2. Sell products on third-party platforms like Amazon or eBay. 3. Offer affiliate marketing programs to bloggers and influencers in your niche. 4. Dropship products from other suppliers and earn a commission on each sale. Conclusion. In conclusion, e-commerce can be a profitable way to start your own business and reach a global audience. By following these steps and monetizing your store in a strategic way, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Thank you for watching our video and good luck with your e-commerce business.